students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start new third chapter of maths, that is addition. In third standard you already learned the addition of 3-digit numbers. Now in this chapter we are going to learn the addition of 4-digit numbers. Now see, there are two types of addition arrangement. First one is vertical arrangement. So you can see on the screen, first one is vertical arrangement and second one is horizontal arrangement of addition. In both the methods, answer of the given addition is same, but the arrangements are different. Now we will see the example of addition in vertical arrangement. The first example is given 5203 plus 3573. So first we have to arrange both the numbers in vertical arrangement. So how we will write the given sum? Now we will arrange both the numbers place wise, write both the numbers properly according to their places and write the number one below the other. So you can see here 5203 plus 3573. So you have to put plus sign in between both the numbers. Now you can see here 3 is in unit place and for second number also 3 is in unit place. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now in tens place 0 plus 7 is 7. In hundreds place 2 plus 5 is 7 and in thousands place 5 plus 3 is 8. So our answer is 8776. Let's see exercise on page number 18. Question number 1, arrange vertically and add. So we have to arrange these questions vertically and then we will add. So first question is 2301 plus 4056. So first we will arrange this place wise units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Vertical arrangement means you have to write the one number below the other. So we will write the number as 2301. We have to put plus sign between both the numbers and then write second number 4056. Now in first number 1 is in units place, 0 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place and 2 is in thousands place. And in second number 6 is in units place, 5 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place and 4 is in thousands place. Now we will start adding from units place. So we have to add 1 plus 6. So in this 6 is the bigger number. So always remember you have to do the addition mentally and you have to take the bigger number in your mind. So take 6 in your mind and put one finger because 1 is there. So you have to count the next to 6, that is 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So write down 7 in units place. Now in tens place 0 plus 5. So you know that in 0 any number will be added. The answer is that number itself. So 0 plus 5 is 5. In hundreds place 3 plus 0. So here also in any number 0 will be added. The answer is that number itself. So answer is 3. And in thousands place 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 means 4 you have to take it in your mind and take 2 fingers and count next to 4, that is 5, 6. So it is 6357. So you have to do this. Now see the next question number 2, 4017 plus 2081. So again we arrange this number place wise and start adding first unit place. 7 plus 1. So take 7 in your mind and take one finger. After 7 count this as 8. So write 8 in units place. Now at tens place 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. In hundreds place 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Now at thousands place 4 plus 2. So 4 take it in your mind and take 2 fingers. 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6098. Now see, let's see Third example, 2017 plus 17,060. So arrange this number place wise. First start writing your number from unit place and start adding also from units place. So 7 plus 0. So in any number 0 will be added. The answer is your number itself. So 7 plus 0 is 7. Now add tens place 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. In hundreds place 0 plus 0. So answer is 0 plus 0 is 0. In thousands place 2 is there, 7 is there. So 2 plus 7, that is 8, 9. So 9 will be written in thousands place. And in 10,000s place only 1 is there. So write 1 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 19,077. Now next example, 4,777 plus 2,001. So first we will add units place 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. In tens place 7 plus 0. So again in any number 0 will be added. The answer is that number itself. So 7 plus 0 is 7. In hundreds place also 7 plus 0. Answer is 7. So write down 7 in hundreds place. In thousands place 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6,778. Now example number 5. 941 plus 99,058. So arrange these numbers place wise and start writing your number from unit place. So first write down in units place 1, then tens place 4, and then in hundreds place 9, because it is then very easier to write down the numbers place wise. Then plus 99,058. Now start adding from units place 1 plus 8. So 8, take it in your mind and take one finger. So count after 8, that is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5. 5 is take in your mind and 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. In hundreds place 9 plus 0. So if in any number 0 will be added, the answer is that number itself. So 9 plus 0 is 9. In thousands place only 9 is there. So write down 9 in thousands place, and in 10,000s place also 9 is there. So write down 9 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 99,999. Now sixth question is 12,336 plus 50,021. So arrange this both the numbers place wise and add from units place. That is 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So write down 7 in units place. In tens place 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is how many? 5. So write down 5 in tens place. Again in hundreds place 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0, how many? 3, because in any number 0 will be added. The answer is that number itself. In thousands place 2 plus 0. So write down 2 in thousands place. In 10,000 place 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So our answer is 62,357. Now moving to the next example. Question number 7. 77,777 plus 2,001. Arrange this both the numbers place wise and start adding from units place. 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So write down 8 in units place. In tens place 7 plus 0. So answer is 7. In hundreds place also 7 plus 0 is there. So answer is 7. In thousands place 7 is 7 plus 2. So take 2 fingers and take 7 in your mind, that is 8 and 9. So answer is 9. And in 10,000s place only 7 is there. So write down 7 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 79,778. Now moving to the next example, 999 plus 4,000. So we'll arrange the number place wise. Start writing your number from units place, then tens place, then hundreds place, and then thousands place. So 999 plus 4000. So we will add first unit place 9 plus 0. So 9 plus 0 is 9, because in any number 0 will be added. The answer is that number itself. In tens place also 9 plus 0 is there. So we'll write 9 in tens place. In hundreds place also 9 plus 0. So answer is 9. So write down 9 in hundreds place. And in thousands place only 4 is there. So write down 4 in thousands place. So our answer is 4999. Now we will see the second type of addition, that is horizontal arrangement. In this type of addition, we have to write the given numbers horizontally, means numbers are to be placed side by side and put the plus sign between them. Then group the given numbers according to their places, like units, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Let us solve one example of addition in horizontal arrangement. Let us solve one example of addition in horizontal arrangement. We have to add 7,132 plus 5,856. We have to add both the numbers in horizontal arrangement. So let us see how we will do this sum. First, we will arrange the given numbers horizontally and group the given digits according to their places. We will start adding from units place, then tens place, then hundreds and then thousands. So first add 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 means 8. So write down in units place 8. Then tens place 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So write down 8 in tens place. After that we will add hundreds place 8 plus 1. It will give 9. So write 9 in hundreds place, and 1000, 5 plus 7, it gives 12. But we can't write 2 digits in one place. So we will write 2 in thousands place and 1 will go into the next place, that is 10,000s place. So 1 will be in 10,000 place. So our answer 12,988. Going to solve question number 2, add in horizontal arrangement. So we have already learned that how to arrange horizontally. So see, first question is given 7,006 plus 2,193. So I have written here all the digits place wise in different colors. So in units place I have taken green color. For tens place I have taken red color. For hundreds place I have taken blue color, and for thousands place I have given violet color. So it is very easier to understand this concept for you. Now see, we are arranged this number place wise. So 7,006 plus 2,193. So what we have to do is first add units place. So units to units. So 3 plus 6. So you have to add this mentally. 6 plus 3. So 6 take it in your mind and 3 fingers take and count after 6. That is 7, 8 and 9. So it is units place I have written in green color. So in answer also I have writing this 6 plus 3 is 9 in green color. So you can see over here in units place we are writing as 9. In tens place 0 plus 9. So you can see over here 0 plus 9 is there. So you know that in 0 any number will be added. The answer is that number itself. So in tens place 0 plus 9 is 9. So I am writing this number by red color. Now our third place is hundreds place. So in hundreds place 0 plus 1. So in 0 also any number will be added. The answer is that number itself. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So in hundreds place 1 will be there. Now in thousands place 7 plus 2. So 7, take it in your mind and take 2 fingers and count after 7, 8 and 9. So in thousands place 9 will be there. So our answer is 9,109. 99. Now moving to the second example. Given here 411 plus 588. So we have to arrange this units, tens and hundreds place wise. Then start adding from units place. So 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. So write down 9 in units place. Then add tens place. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write 9 in tens place. And in hundreds place 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So in hundreds place also 9 is there. So our answer is 999. See the third example. 279 plus 97,410. So again arrange these numbers horizontally and start adding from units place. So 9 plus 0. So 9 plus 0, the answer is 9 because 0 is added in any number. The answer is that number itself. So in units place 9 is there. Tens place 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So in tens place write down 8. In hundreds place 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is how many? 6. So in hundreds place 6 is there. In thousands place only 7 is there. So write down 7 in thousands place, and in 10,000s also 9 is there only. So write down 9 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 97,689. Now fourth example is 53,046 plus 2,001. Again we will add this horizontally and start adding from units place. So it is 6 plus 7. So in unit place 6 is there and in here 1 is there. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So write down 7 in units place. In tens place 4 plus 0. So in any number 0 will be added. The answer is that number itself. So answer is 4 plus 0 is 4. In hundreds place 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0 itself. So write down 0 in hundreds place. In thousands place 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is how many? 5. So write down 5 in hundreds place. And in 10,000s place only 5 is there. So write down 5. So our answer is 55,047. Fifth question, 7,013 plus 91,405. So we have to add first unit place 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So write down 8 in unit place. In tens place 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So in answer write down 1 in tens place. In hundreds place 0 is there and 4 is there. So 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is also 4. So write down 4 in hundreds place. In thousands place 7 is there and 1 is there. So 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So write down 8 in thousands place. And in 10,000s place only 9 is there. So write down 9 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 98,418. Now students, I have written here these places by pencil. So this is just for your understanding. No need to write down in this in your notebook. So write down neat and clean handwriting all the sums properly. See example number 6, 9,298 plus 80,301. So first we will add units place. So 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So in unit place we will write it as 9. In tens place 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. So in tens place also write down 9. In hundreds place 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So write down 5 in hundreds place. In thousands place 9 is there and 0 is there. So 9 plus 0 is 9. So write down 9 in thousands place. In 10,000s place only 8 is there. So write down 8 in 10,000s place. So our answer is 89,599. Question number 3, match the equal numbers in the 3 columns. So here given 3 columns to you and you have to match this column to second and third column. Now in notebook we will write like this because no place is there to write in columns. So see first question given 14,000 plus 300. So first we will write 14,000 plus 300. So if you will add this both, our answer will be 14,300. So you can see in the column 14,000 plus 300 is given, and in third column also 14,300 is given. So you have to match like this and you have to write like this in your notebook. Now see, question number 2 is given 2,000 plus 90. So we will write 2,000 plus 90 is equal to, if you will add this both, our answer will be 2090. You can see in the textbook given 2000 plus 90, and in third column also 2090 is given. So you have to write like this in your example. 509 plus 100. So we'll write it as 509 plus 100. If you will add this, our answer will be 609. You can see in your textbook 509 plus 100, and third column also 609 is given. So we will write the answer like this in your notebook. Now question number 4 is given 99,000 plus 702. So we will write 99,000. So 99,000 plus 702. If we will add this, we will get 99,702. So see, in second column also given 99,000 plus 702, and in third column also our answer is 99,702.